guys, and welcome back to Rose Tinted. So this is Squishy or Asian from the future. So basically we've just renovated our bedroom, which you can now see behind me. I filmed the entire process and I'm just editing it just now to go up on Sunday the 12th, which is tomorrow for me. Today if you're watching it when this goes up. But basically I realised I didn't do an introduction. So basically the room didn't need much, it's just that we wanted our own furniture, we wanted to decorate the walls and stuff like that a bit differently, we wanted to rearrange storage, and the white paint on the walls badly needed like a freshen up. So that's really all we did to the room, but it made a huge difference to the way the room looks. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So as you walk in, we have a TV and a chest of drawers. The TV is going on the wall and the chest of drawers is going completely. And then you come round and we have our bedside tables, which are staying, but we've got new lamps. The bed is completely going to change because we have a new one coming. The lights I think are going to stay the same because that's one of the things we actually like about the room. Not sure what we're doing with this area yet, but it all just needs to be freshened up a wee bit. And the curtains are being changed out. And then around this way we only have one mirror on the wardrobe door, so we're going to take that one off and put one on each. And then the windowsill is going to be decorated a bit nicer as well. And apart from that, it just needs a freshen up. Like, I don't know if you can see the marks on the wall and stuff, but it kind of just needs a freshen up. So that is our plan with this room, but I suppose we should get to it.